And that is a little picture of our Reimagining Resilience one using a trauma lens, which really the focus in that is to understand the impact of trauma on growing brains and bodies, and also walk out with some practical tools you can do to make a difference, to be that buffering adult for young people. And Reimagining Resilience 2, Developing Firmness Tools, has a focus on how do I go deeper in brain science and understand what's happening when a brain's been impacted by trauma, and also to understand how do I hold young people as accountable and responsible and not sever relationship. How do I actually use those opportunities when kids make mistakes to strengthen their connection to educators, to classmates, to school and community, and allow them to build their skills. And each of our workshops is there's flexibility, but they are designed to be two-hour sessions, and they can be delivered in person or online. And we can be flexible around school schedules in the way that works. So if your school has an hour and a half professional development, we can restructure. And they're designed to give both some information and some understanding knowledge, some opportunity to engage with colleagues, and then some real practical tools you can use the next day in your classroom. So those are the way that those are designed to really support that adult understanding and awareness, and a awareness or a mindset shift towards being more trauma responsive. And I was talking with an educator the other day who said, we've already done a ton of learning about trauma, but what's hard is how do I put it into practice? And so one of the things that we found over time is that these workshops really do offer those practical tools so that educators can say, wow, I'm already doing things that are trauma informed. This isn't like I'm not trauma informed or I'm trauma informed. It's about a continuum, and I'm already doing some things and I can strengthen those things. So that's an opportunity to learn. The other piece that's powerful is doing it together with your staff. When you're in your community and you're talking about your kids and you're thinking about your own practice, this is a really powerful way to grow your capacity and then get you ready to do that MTSS process.